yummy, delicious. Now you must have been thinking that what actually I'm having. So for that, you have to watch the entire video. So stay tuned. Hey, what's up you lovely people? Welcome back to my channel. So today is a new day and I am here with a new beauty vlog only for you guys. So today I'm going to review two of my favorite health products and I'm gonna make this video very short and crisp so that you understand it fully and enjoy the video. So today I am here to talk about two of my favorite products from Dr. Morbin. Those who already know about Dr. Morbin, I don't need to tell you that they are into health supplement and making health products for quite some time now. And if you have been measuring your pressure, sugar and oxygen level, this kind of things, then you must have been using Dr. Morbin instruments, right? And also let me tell you that right now they are into making health products and health supplements too. And out of their favorite products of mine, I'm going to review two products. So number one product is their meal replacement, which is a slim shake, and this is in the flavor strawberry. This weighted 500 grams and it can serve you up to 12 servings. It has a big scoop inside it. So let me show you the size of the scoop. This is like a normal whey protein scoop kind of a thing, a transparent scoop, very good quality, and the flavor is strawberry, which I am really liking nowadays. And let me tell you, this is a meal replacement. That means you can skip your regular meal if you are somewhere traveling or you don't feel like having the conventional lunch or dinner kind of a thing, and you can go for their slim shake. Let me tell you what is inside this product. One scoop of this product is going to give you 145 calories, which is really less, but don't think taking this much of less calorie is going to give you or is going to deprive you from getting the required macronutrients or the micronutrients. Let me tell you that this one scoop will give you 14.2 grams of protein, which is really high, isn't it? Also, it's going to give you 26 minerals and vitamins per scoop. This is really amazing, isn't it? And also it's having 2.9 grams of fiber per scoop. But that's not the best part of this product. You know what is the best part of this product? Because it is having no added sugar. OMG! When I tested this product, I seriously thought that it's gonna have some sweetening element in it. But when I checked the ingredients, which we always should check whenever we are buying some packaged food or whenever we are buying some health supplement, that what is inside it. You know, these are the ingredients written here, and we should check it for every product when we are gonna buy something from supermarket or our local shop. We should check for the ingredients. And then when I thought it's having some artificial sweetener inside it, then I checked what is inside it and I found no added sugar. I mean, seriously, this made me literally fan of this health supplement. Whenever I think that I'm gonna miss my meal or some kind of a thing, or I'm in a hurry, I have no time to make my meal, then I seriously jump into this product, take one scoop of it and mix it with milk. I preferably like milk if I am having it as a meal replacement thing, and then sometime I have it with water when I don't require it as a meal replacement thing, but I take it as a snacks. Then I usually have it with water, but it's completely your choice.
Try to avoid hot milks. I preferably take cold milks while having this shake because cold milks are easy to mix.
Otherwise, the whey protein thing gonna make a clot inside it, which you really will not like. So yes, you can definitely check their meal replacement from the link given in the description part and straight jump into their website and buy this product. It's really a good, healthy and tasty health supplement.
So whenever you have junk food cravings, you can just replace it with slim shake. So I am replacing all my junk foods with slim shake and it smells heavenly, guys. So I am just taking a glass of cold milk and I am mixing one scoop of this slim shake and gonna mix it very well and gonna enjoy the drink during my snacks, or you can have it as a meal replacement too. Check in the description part and have it.
And now I'm going to talk about one of my favorite and everyday go-to whey protein isolate, which is from Dr. Morbin. It is their muscle food. It comes in watermelon flavor. I mean, seriously, I have never seen a brand focusing so much on taste. Dr. Morbin products not only are free from artificial sweetening elements, but also it tastes good, which is the basic requirement of us having a healthy food, right? We usually avoid having healthy food because it doesn't taste good. But with Dr. Morbin, you are gonna have this problem solved. So yes, this is their muscle food, which is 100% protein isolate. It's non-acidic. It's not gonna give you any bloating sensation or acid formation. It's just like your water. It's very easy to digest and it's gonna absorb to your body within no time and gonna get rid of you from your soreness after workout. And if you are wondering that from where the sweetening sensation or sweetening taste is coming from, then let me tell you that it is having 50% stevia and 50% sucralose, which is responsible for the sweet taste of this drink. And as you can see from the bottle size that it is very travel friendly and it comes inside your bag. You can just mix it in this bottle and you can make it a travel friendly shake drink. So you can make your travel friendly shake. Sorry. That's part and parcel of making a YouTube video. You just cannot find a place where you can shoot without this nonsense sounds. But we live in a society, we have to deal with this problem. Yeah, what I was telling you that this bottle is so pocket friendly that you can make your protein shake and you can keep it inside your bag. But I recommend that
If you have made this whey protein isolate drink or muscle food, try to consume it within 30 minutes to get the proper nutrition from it.
I to have it within 30 minutes. At least that's what I do. I make the shake and then I keep it aside for some time, especially for this protein isolate. I keep it aside for some time and then I let it be there for some time and then I have it. So yes, within 10 minutes I have it whenever I make a protein shake. It's almost equal for every protein shake I have tried so far. And as this is an isolate, I don't need to keep it for like more than 5 minutes, I think. Whenever you buy this muscle food from Dr. Morbin's website, by the way, the link is given in the description part, so just go there and check it after you complete my YouTube video. Don't forget to watch my YouTube video entirely. You will get this cool looking sipper which is having a green cap and the lid is in the color black. It's really tight. I think it's not gonna leak inside your bag, but I really don't carry this sipper inside my bag. Whenever I carry inside my bag, I used to carry this bottle because it's completely airtight on and it doesn't leak inside your bag. So let me show you what is inside this bottle. There is an aluminium foil kind of a thing inside this bottle which is having 1 scoop of muscle food. You can see what you need to do is you have to cut it from there where the mark is given. There's a mark, you can see, and you have to tear it down
And fill the bottle with 275 ml of water and then empty the entire amount of whey inside the bottle.
and you have to shake it until it dissolves, and then you want to keep it for some time and then enjoy your drink. So that's how we make this protein shake. By the way, this is my second bottle. I already have one which is shown in the video. My today's protein supplement I have already taken from Muscle Food. So yes guys, check out this holy grail whey isolate protein from Dr. Morbin, because it's not only give you the required protein supplement but also it's very healthy and effective for your muscle growth and recovery. So trust me and go to the description part, click on their link and get your muscle food, which is a protein isolate from Dr. Morbin.
Do you know why we require whey protein after a rigorous workout, especially after our weight trainings and cardios? Because it not only gives you the needed nutrition, that is the protein, and also it helps to build and repair muscles, so that you will be ready the very next day with the same amount of energy and vigor to hit the gym floor or to do the same exercise in a better way. So after my workout session, I always prefer having a good quality protein, and especially during summer I am liking whey protein isolate because it is easily absorbed and it doesn't create any bloating sensation like whey impact. Whey impact is also good if you can digest it, but for people with digestive issue and the people who want the whey to be absorbed easily, they always go for whey protein isolate. So yes, I got my muscle food from Dr. Morpen. Here I am going to show you how I make this drink. I take out this aluminium foil where I have the entire 1 scoop. Then I fill the water in the bottle or in the sipper, and then I pour the entire amount inside the bottle or the sipper, and then I close the lid and I shake it so that the entire amount of whey dissolves in water. Then I leave it for some time and then I enjoy the drink. The best part of Dr. Morpen is it tastes amazing, especially the strawberry flavor. It's amazing and it's not having any artificial sweetener. So you can definitely check out this product without a thought. The link is given in the description part.
So I hope you liked today's video. If you really liked today's video, don't forget to like and comment down which product have you bought from Dr. Morpen, and don't forget to visit their Instagram handle as well. It is given in the description part too. Follow me on Instagram. I post literally everyday content which is based on health supplements, sometimes skincare, sometimes your home workout, your daily requirement is everything you will find on my Instagram handle and YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new, and share it to your friends and family to get notified about amazing fitness content and health supplements. So today's video is till then, and you will find another video very soon, maybe next week. So stay tuned and follow me and hit the bell icon to get notified. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye bye.